breathing in Pilates. So just get yourself into that nice rest position again. Get your pelvis into the nice neutral position. And just allow yourself to become aware of a little bit of toning down here. And then just relax it. The Pilates breathing is just another layer in Pilates to intensify your focus, your strengthening. And a lot of people say they can't get the Pilates breathing, and I don't want you to get too hung up in it, because as long as you're breathing, that's the main thing. We can use the breath to increase that strength and increase that focus and increase that intensity. And if we just talk about it really briefly and really simply, so just start by just breathing comfortably and just let your hands just rest just above your belly button and below your belly button, because sometimes I think we spend so much time holding our breath that we find it really hard just to breathe down and access the lower parts of the lungs. So 3 breaths here. Let everything relax. Let all the tension drop. Relax your shoulders away from your ears. 1 more breath in and out. And let your back just sink a little bit deeper onto your mat. So we want to be thinking about lateral breathing and breathing into the back, and not breathing with the belly rising and falling. And so if you just let your hands just rest comfortably in the lower ribs on the sides of your body, and just allow yourself to breathe a couple of times. And really try and let those ribs expand into your hands, and let your ribs expand back towards the mat. And I think that if you ask your lower tummy muscles just to tone slightly, you'll find that you're not expanding through your belly quite so much. So if we ask these muscles here, our lower corset, just to tone and breathe into our ribs. And let go. 2 more times. One more time. Into the ribs and into the back. It's as simple as that. Asking the lower tummy muscles to tone ever so slightly, and focusing the breath into the ribs at the side and into the ribs at the back, and trying just to be nice and steady here. Let's just keep it really simple, and only add the breathing in and the Pilates breathing in if you feel that you can. But if it's just another extra ball to juggle that you can, don't overthink it, just breathe normally.